How's it going, everybody? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. It's a nice, beautiful day out here in Newcastle, Indiana. We're out here checking out this customer's wide span building. It's a nice 36 by 60 by 14 foot tall. Let's go check it out. Alrighty guys, so this is a wide span structure. The size on this building, here from the front, the width is going to be a 36 wide. The length on this structure is going to be 60 feet long. And then the height here to the eaves is going to be 14 foot tall leg. Here on the front, you can see the customer does have a normal 36 by 80 inch walk-in door. And then dead center on the front end wall, the customer does have a 12 by 14 garage door. Now the garage door does have an automatic door opener installed on it. So to get inside of his structure, the customer can use the walk-in door very quickly and easily, or with the press of a button, the automatic door opener will roll up so he can get quick access inside of his structure through the roll-up door. Now quickly here on this side, you can see the customer does have another roll-up door dead center of the length of the structure. The size on this one is going to be 10 by 10. Now this door does have the latch on the outside, so you can open it from the outside, or very well you can also use the walk-in door here on the front to go inside and pull on the chain and open it that way. Now I know you can't tell here from the outside, but the customer does have concrete. He does have the notch detail on it. He also has a little bit of a lip all around the perimeter of the structure. He does have an apron here on front of this roll-up door, and then he has another apron here in front of the walk-in door and the other garage door. Now this is a wide span structure, so it does gonna have the vertical roof, vertical sides, and vertical ends. That's very good here in the state of Indiana because they do typically get a lot of snow. As you can see for the colors, the customer does have the Pebble beige for the siding, and then white trim and white roof, and that's going to match his other warehouse that he does have here. He does also have the color matching screws on his building. Looks very nice, very aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, that was a quick little tour here of this wide span structure for this customer. Anyways, this has been Brian with American Steel Carports. Leave us a comment down below if anything you want to see in the future, or if you have a question. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel for future videos. But we're always going to be here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.